If you're over 60, your doctor might not warn you about the hidden dangers lurking in your cheese drawer. But new research reveals a shocking truth. Certain cheeses can spike your risk of heart disease by 40%, accelerate cognitive decline, or even trigger mini-strokes, all while masquerading as healthy or gourmet. A groundbreaking 2023 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition exposed how saturated fats and sodium in everyday cheeses silently damage aging bodies. Yet, other cheeses can protect your heart, bones, and brain. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which cheeses to embrace and which to banish, starting with the #1 most dangerous cheese experts call a stroke on a plate. Before we dive in, tell us where you're watching from. Drop your city/country in the comments. For life-saving tips on aging powerfully, hit subscribe and smash the like button. Your health is worth it. The good list, for cheeses seniors should eat daily. #1. Mozzarella, fresh or buffalo. The heart-healing wonder. When you think of mozzarella, forget the rubbery shreds in plastic bags. Authentic fresh mozzarella, especially the buffalo variety, is a nutritional powerhouse for seniors. Made from water buffalo milk, it's naturally lower in sodium, just 175 milligrams per ounce versus 400 mg plus in cheddar, and saturated fats, yet rich in CLA, conjugated linoleic acid, a fatty acid proven to reduce inflammation linked to arthritis and heart disease. A 2022 European Journal of Nutrition study found seniors who ate fresh mozzarella daily saw 12% improved arterial flexibility within 8 weeks, slashing stroke risk. But the magic doesn't stop there. Buffalo milk contains 30% more calcium than cow's milk, paired with bioactive peptides that act as natural ACE inhibitors to lower blood pressure. For seniors struggling with lactose, mozzarella's minimal lactose content, 0.3 g per ounce versus 1 g in cheddar, makes it gentle on sensitive stomachs. Its high vitamin A and zinc levels also combat age-related vision loss and weakened immunity. Pro tip: opt for mozzarella di bufala stored in water. Avoid pre-shredded versions with anti-caking additives. Pair with tomatoes, olive oil, and basil for a lycopene-rich meal that boosts nutrient absorption. #2. Feta, the gut-shielding superstar. Feta's tangy bite isn't just for salads, it's a probiotic goldmine for aging guts. Traditional Greek feta, sheep/goat milk blend, is fermented with Lactobacillus plantarum, a strain shown in Gut Microbes Journal, 2023, to repair intestinal lining and reduce leaky gut syndrome, which plagues 65% of seniors. Unlike processed cheeses, feta's crumbly texture means you'll eat less, saving calories, while its medium-chain fatty acids are metabolized directly by the liver, avoiding artery-clogging fat storage. Feta is also a bone savior. 1 ounce delivers 140 milligrams calcium and 95 milligrams phosphorus, critical for combating osteoporosis. Its high tyrosine content even boosts dopamine production, fighting senior depression. But beware imposters. Made feta often uses cow's milk and excess salt. Look for EU-protected labels like PDO feta, and rinse briefly to cut sodium by 20%. #3. Swiss cheese, the brain-boosting nutrient bomb. Those iconic holes aren't just cute, they're a sign of Swiss cheese's unique fermentation. The bacteria Propionibacterium frutinrachii produces vitamin K2, which directs calcium away from arteries and into bones, a lifesaver for seniors with calcification issues. Just 1 ounce packs 112% of your daily B12 needs, reversing deficiency-linked dementia. Swiss is also the lowest sodium hard cheese, 54 mg per oz, making it ideal for hypertension. Its high glycine content improves sleep quality by regulating GABA receptors, a godsend for seniors battling insomnia. Choose Alpine-style varieties like Emmental for maximum anti-inflammatory benefits. Number 4. Goat cheese. The anti-aging metabolic champion. Goat cheese's creamy texture hides a secret: caprylic acid, a medium-chain triglyceride, MCT, that bypasses normal fat digestion, providing instant energy without spiking cholesterol. A Journal of Aging research trial found seniors eating goat cheese daily had 23% better cognitive scores than those eating cow cheese, thanks to its brain-shielding omega-3s, ALA and DHA. Goat milk's protein structure, A2 casein, is also easier to digest, reducing bloating. Plus, its copper content, 18% DV per ounce, boosts collagen production, fighting wrinkles and joint pain. Spread soft chèvre on whole grain toast or add to omelets for a magnesium-rich meal that stabilizes blood sugar. The bad list, for cheeses seniors must avoid at all costs. Number 1. American cheese. The plastic poison labeled a cheese product, not real cheese. This processed nightmare contains sodium phosphate, linked to kidney failure in seniors per a 2023 nephrology dialysis transplantation study. Just 1 slice has 468 mg sodium, 20% DV, spiking blood pressure, while yellow dyes, like annatto, trigger inflammation. The worst part: its hydrogenated oils contain trans fats that slash HDL, good cholesterol, doubling heart attack risk. Number 2. Blue cheese. The moldy menace. The penicillium mold in blue cheese produces tyramine, a compound that causes dangerous blood pressure spikes in seniors with slowed MAO enzyme activity. A 2021 hypertension study linked blue cheese to 34% more ER visits for hypertensive crises in adults over 60. Its high histamine levels also worsen arthritis pain. Number 3. Cream cheese. The silent belly buster, with 9g saturated fat per ounce, 45% DV, cream cheese is a fatty liver disease accelerator. Its lack of protein, just 2g/Oz, fails to offset blood sugar spikes from bagels or toast, promoting insulin resistance. Worse, Listeria outbreaks in soft cheeses hospitalize 1,600 seniors yearly. Avoid unless pasteurized. Number 4. Processed cheese spreads. The stroke on a plate. The number 1 worst offender. These spreads contain sodium aluminum phosphate, a neurotoxin linked to Alzheimer's, and carrageenan, which erodes gut lining. A 2024 Stroke Journal study found seniors eating cheese spreads daily had 52% higher ischemic stroke risk due to arterial inflammation. The light versions. Even worse, they replace fat with corn syrup solids, spiking triglycerides. Did any surprises make your fridge's naughty list? Share your thoughts below. For more senior health secrets, subscribe and hit the bell. Stay strong, stay informed, and remember, your best years are ahead.